Hey everyone, it's my first video of 2024, and today I'm beyond excited to share a special project with you. As a Christmas gift to my brother, I gave him the ultimate Christmas gift, his very own man cave. It's a DIY you won't want to miss. But first, a quick thank you for stopping by Lifestyle with Melonie Graves, where I share stylish and creative ideas to help you do what makes you happy in your home. You may remember the chill lounge that I did for my husband for Father's Day a few years ago. My brother's always loved and enjoyed that room when he comes over to the house. And he wanted something very similar in his own home, even down to the same paint color. So I knew just the room to get started in. So I started with the spare room in his house. It was just collecting dust and toys, and I knew this room had so much potential. Okay, so this is the room I am going to redesign for my brother. Zoom out a little bit. So it's one of those, it's kind of an odd room because it's in the front of the house. It's kind of big for an office, so he's using it like really as like a play area, chill area for the kids. But he wants a more sophisticated space. Um, I have an idea for this wall. So I'm gonna take some measurements and the sofa that I ordered, it's L shape, and originally I was going to divide this space kind of in half so he can have like his sophisticated space, and then behind the sofa the girls could still have like a play area. Um, but looking at how big that sofa is, I'm not sure if that's going to actually work. So, time to put my thinking cap on. Gonna go look at some paint colors today. So to start things off, we picked out our paint. It's the same paint that I used in our chill lounge. It's called Chimney Smoke. So you can see how the color varies a little from my home to my brother's home. And it was a team effort. I painted from ceiling to floor to create that dark and moody, cavey sort of vibe. Now, later on, my brother is going to pull up the carpet, but for the sake of getting this project done, I worked around it. But we got everything painted, and then it was time to add some character. And I did that with the DIY board and batten wall. It's just a classic and timeless look that instantly elevates the space. And we measure twice, cut once, right? It's a bit of work, but trust me, the end result is totally worth it. Now, of course, no man cave would be complete without some comfy seating, right? A special thank you to Valencia Theater Seating. They gifted me with this beautiful L-shaped leather sofa. I chose this one because it's stylish and it's luxurious, and it's the perfect spot to kick back and relax in this new room. Now, let's talk about lighting. As I've said before, good lighting can make or break a room. My brother had one request, and that was to keep his ugly ceiling fan. So we compromised. Not only that I find a light fixture that looked really dope in the space, it had acrylic blades. So when the ceiling fan is on, it also has a dimmer, you can see here. But when the ceiling fan is on, you can barely see it. And let me tell you, it really puts out a nice cooling effect in this room. And with the walls being so dark, it's important to make sure I added in some additional ambient lighting. It brings in that really chill vibe in a space like this. So I added in some gorgeous floor lamps and some accent lighting as well. I love this wireless picture light because not only does it have a remote where you can dim the light or change the warmth or coolness to your liking, but it's also rechargeable, so he won't have to go through and replace batteries over and over again. In front of the window, I added a little bistro area where he can sit and enjoy his wine. And of course, a wine cabinet with some cool LED underlighting. It's a small enough cabinet for him to grow into this space because I know he wants to add some extra furniture for his record player, but this is perfect to get him started. And voila, what a cool weekend transformation. I am thrilled with how excited my brother is about his new space. And now I'll sit back and let you enjoy the tour. As always, if you got at least one new idea from this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.